received delivery of the first two 2500 ICs. I found it incredibly easy to use. From crate to our first build was approximately 5 hours. The software called 3D Sprint is also very friendly. You no longer have to be an expert in a lot of the larger, more complex CAD drawing programs. We've been able to provide our customers the ability to run different iterations of the same part without having to go through traditional mold making processes. And our time to first part is within 24 hours. And many times we can go from model to metal in 2 to 5 days. The surface finish of the wax patterns produced out of the 2500 IC have been nothing short of phenomenal. My experience has been fantastic using the 2500 IC. Almost on a daily basis, I hear from the Foundry workers and the general management staff that if the part that we're currently working on is buildable in the platform of the 2500 IC, they would prefer it in wax.